access to your pillar. Just a son of weakness, all of your clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Listen to the situation that you call the winner. To be a true player, love to know how to play. If she say a night, come the piece of say a day. Never admit to a word that she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way.
It's very windy outside. Anyways, so what we're gonna be doing today as my first video is making cheese drinks. Hey, sorry to scare you like this, but I was editing and realized that I said cheese string instead of cheese sticks or cheese straws. So yeah, just a disclaimer. Okay, back to the video. I don't know what that is, nor have I ever made it, nor have I ever tried it. So my friend is going to FaceTime me and show me how to make it. That's why my laptop's here. So let's get going. Oh hey!
A few moments later.
Okay, so we need cheese,
flour, butter, pepper.
Okay.
Grate your cheese. Actually, I forgot to tell you earlier. Guess what?
What?
Yes, man.
There's a million things to guess. Time to grate some cheese. What's next?
1 cup of butter.
So then what am I supposed to do with my flour? Oh, you're so difficult.
Are you gonna use the electric mixer for now?
No.
Okay. You know how to use it, right? Okay, never mind.
Okay, put it in?
Yes, put it in.
Okay, what's next?
Add some pepper. Shit, that's so long.
It's okay, who cares?
Have you used that thingy before?
No, I have not, but today we will. I'm gonna see what a baker we are.
You are. I know how to use it.
Shut up.
It
It looks like an iron.
Where did you come from?
My mother.
Are you sure?
Yep, I think so.
I think you saw some picture.
Okay, I hope this thing doesn't fall out when I'm...
You need to make sure it clicks.
It's not clean. So I push it in?
Ta-da.
It's in. Doesn't reach. Okay.
Put it straight in the middle.
I'm scared. Make sure it's all the way in, right?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay. We got this. Okay, ready? And go. Oh! I'm scared. Alright guys, I am done mixing.
So at this point, take your flour and you're gonna slowly add it, like little by little bit, add it into the bowl of cheese.
Okay, the stupid mixing is done. What did you say?
I said, do you know how badly that I want to drink? Okay, now put it in your Ziploc bag.
Yes.
And then you're gonna cut it to the Ziploc.
Wait, let me see if we have it. I'm putting the fancy thing on, so it looks fancy.
Also, you have a big thing.
Yeah, I just found it. And I found this thingy, that's why I decided to use it.
You might want to put more than that because it goes by pretty fast.
Let's see how it goes first. I don't know what I did there.
Yo, crackpot. Hi, Raj. Hi.
Don't laugh at me, okay? Just don't laugh at me.
Laugh at her.
Hey, listen. What exactly are you doing? I'm making cheese straws.
These look like cheese sticks.
You look like a stick.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Are you sure it's not you?
These are my sticks, my straws.
Very nice.
Thanks. I worked really hard on them.
I have reached my destination.
Oh wow, that was fast.
Yeah, man, there was barely traffic.
So guys, this is our masterpiece. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have our featuring guest here that just came home, and she is going to try my cheese straws. Are they good? Crunchy. Are they good? It tastes alright. Only? Mommy, I worked hard on them. I'll give them an 8.5 out of 10. It's good. Yeah, just really good. Alright guys, thank you for watching my first video. This wasn't a tutorial, but it was a bake with me video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to learn how to make cheese straws, then comment below, and I got you. Okay,